All right, for this shape, I need to figure out, is this a prism, a cylinder, a cone, a pyramid, or a sphere? Well, looking at this, I don't see any circles. So we should immediately be eliminating cylinder, cone, and sphere. Those are the three that deal with circles. That leaves us with a prism or a pyramid. Now remember, a prism doesn't come to a point. This was our prism example. This is a pyramid because it starts off as a square or a rectangle or a triangle, whatever kind of basic shape that's not a circle, and it comes to a point up here. So this is a pyramid. So how would I find the volume of this pyramid? Well, let's go ahead and show our work here. The volume of a pyramid is very similar to that of a prism. Volume pyramid. We have 1/3 times, we'll say the length, times the width. Oops, should be blue. Times the height. You'll notice that for the most part, this part right here, it's the exact same formula as a prism. There's just that 1/3 there. So when I look at this pyramid, we have the base, which is this square shape, which is 21 as the length. And because they're both 21, it actually doesn't matter which one you say is which. 21 is the width. And then the height of this shape, height of the pyramid, is 29. Each side kind of goes there. That's a great pyramid, Mr. Elkins. Great job. Okay, so then I could go ahead and just, start multiplying stuff. We get 1/3 times 21 for the length times 21 for the width, and then times 29 for the height. You'll notice that there's no pi here, so I don't have to worry about, putting pi in my answer. Pi only shows up with circles, and there's no circles here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do 1/3, which is 1 divided by 3, times 21 times 21 times 29. And that gives me 4,263, so 4,263. And this is meters. So I'm going to make sure I write meters cubed. And that is how we find the volume of a pyramid. Pyramids are very, very similar to prisms. The only difference is that there's just 1/3 in here. So make sure that when you're calculating the volume of a pyramid, you remember to multiply it by 1/3. This is an important part of the formula here. It's always going to be 1/3. That's a constant part of the formula. Why is it 1/3? That's a great question. And if you were with me when we did our pyramid exploration, you'll know that it takes 3 pyramids to fill up a prism of the same base. It is always 1/3. Pyramids are exactly 1/3 of their prism counterparts.